Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to deposit money to Kraken from Bank. Now guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to kraken.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your account, but guys, if you do not have one, you can always go and register to Kraken. But guys, if you do not know how to do that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have plenty of how to Kraken videos where you can see how you can do this. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see here, we have the Kraken official website where we have a lot of different options. So here we are on the home screen where you can see a lot of things. So in the top right corner, you can go and click on buy crypto to buy crypto. And here we have the Kraken, Kraken Pro and NFT marketplace from which you can choose. We also have the Kraken support here and everything about your profile. So security, settings, the payment methods, documents, proof of reserves, and the sign out option. Also on the left side of the screen, we have the Explore, where you can go and explore all of the and see all the prices of all the cryptocurrencies. As you can see, we can see transfer, where you can go and deposit, withdraw your cryptocurrencies, and we have your past transactions, where you can see your past transaction that you have made. Now guys, let's see how you can actually go and deposit money to Kraken from Bank. Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to go guys and click on transfer on your left side of the screen, and here you have deposit, and here you'll see all the steps that you need to do to get your money from Kraken to Bank. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.